time check. It's currently 3:22 a.m. Friday, July 12th. And kaka-check-in lang namin dito sa hotel namin sa Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia, but let me give you a quick room tour at this hour. So, here. Good morning! O, diba? Bagong gising. 10:30 a.m. and July 13 dito sa Malaysia. Ito ang morning view ng aming room. Room tour ko kayo ulit. Ito yung door. Tapos, pagpasok mo, yan makikita mo. May washing machine agad. Kompleto sila with appliances except microwave kasi may stove naman. May, ano to? Oven. Tapos, ito, 2 adjoining room. Room 1, room 2. Tapos, ito yung view ng room 1. And yung view ng room 2. Tingnan natin yung view nila. Boobs. Nasa 52nd floor kami. Ilalagay ko na lang yung price nito dito sa screen. Pero 2 nights lang kami dito. Ito, ano to? CR. Adjoining CR. Ayan. Tapos ito yung room 1 kanina. Tapos ayun yung sala. Galing na eh. Galing ang interior nito. Yan. Kompleto. At may bidet. Boobs. Tapos balik tayo dun sa sala. Tingnan natin yung aking parents. Sino ka dyan?
Maggie.
Breakfast, syempre. Tipid-tipid, Maggie. Tapos ito yung view. Ito yung Maggie namin. Binili namin. Parang 4 ringgit kahapon. Ang sarap, ang bango. Parang chicken.
Rick, pinili na sa yung plano. Sanay na sa... Ano ka na? Sanay ka na sa yung plano. Kaya na. Kasi na naawa lang ako sa'yo pag nag-isa ka na magbiyahe yung stock of your cat. Ganyan na naman. Ganyan na.
Morning! We're out. Actually, it's already good afternoon. We're out. We rested for a while and then we just went out of our hotel at 1 p.m. and a 5-minute walk and we're here. There's Petronas. And I'm gonna share with you. We don't really have any itinerary on this trip because we're just taking our parents. But whatever cost or price that we pay for, I'm gonna share it with you guys so you have an idea how underrated Malaysia is. I love Malaysia. I love their food, and I think it's cheap to travel here when you're just starting out your travel journey. So I'm gonna share it with you guys, and yeah, let's go.
Maganda yung Malaysia. Oh,
3, go! Lakad, taos talon! Pag may nakita ka na lang. Currently here inside Surya and ang ganda. Very nice. It's giving market, BGC. Mas okay yun, di ba? So, mag-grab na kami papuntang Berjaya Times Square Mall kasi dito sa Surya, medyo high-end mall siya. So, doon lang kami sa medyo pang affordable na mga pants and mga damit. So, punta kami ng Berjaya Times Square. It's a 25-minute grab from here in Surya. See you there! Grab ride to Berjaya Times Square. 14 ringgit. Honestly, I always knew the answer. I saw it in your eyes. Pwede.
Sultan Abdul Samad was a member of the Council of Rules for the Federated States of the Federated Malay States. And the building to my left is named after His Highness. So we are currently in Merdeka Square, which is also known as Independence Square. And Merdeka in Malaysian, their Merdeka Day is August 31st.
How much should we spend on Grab from Berjaya Times Square?
From Berjaya Times Square, going here to Merdeka Square cost us no more than $3.
Hi. Magkano mo binili ang drink mo? 5 ringgit. Sarap na. Sarap?
Okay.
Hello, we're back in the hotel. We will just rest for 2 hours. It's currently 6:53 p.m. We went out for 6 hours, and after resting for an hour, we're gonna go to Halana Lore and we'll see the Twin Tower light up, and that's it for today. But for now, let's catch the sunset. Halana Lore. This is 30 ringgit for 10 pieces, and this is like 30 ringgit also, small size. Oh, hello.
Good morning! Sabado ngayon.
Saturday.
July 30.
July
13
13.
July. We're going to 12:38 p.m. We're going to Bato Cave. Malaysia!
Malaysia! Tomorrow, last day na namin. Going na kami sa Singapore.
Paano kayo pupunta Singapore?
Right to the bus. Mag-bus kami.
Ano oras?
Anytime.
7:30 a.m.
7:30.
Okay, sige.
Okay. See you there, Singapore. But now we are here in Malaysia.
Oh.
You know why? This is my sister.
Tawan-tawa.
Ito na yung sinasabi nila Bato Cave. Galing kami sa hotel 35 minutes grab. Then ito na siya Ang ganda, daming tao, daming kalapati. Kasi yung mga umuwi rito, normal lang na gala-gala lang sila Ito yung kasama ko, hindi man lang marunong magsalita.
Magkano entrance fee?
There's no entrance fee, right?
No,
It's free.
It's free.
Pero,
So let's climb up the stairs. Let's see if we can go there.
Tingnan nyo kung makakaakyat sila later.
aakyatin namin yung na yan, stair na yan. Almost 250 stair yata. Pero sabi nila, dahan-dahan na kasi maraming mga monkeys. So, I try 8.
O tara, akyat na.
Let's go.
Let's go. Are we halfway? I think we're not yet halfway, but yeah, we're going well. So we decided to go on the middle stairs so there's not a lot of monkeys. And yeah, I'll meet you there upstairs. Ano meron sa taas? Almost there. Almost there. Whew. 87 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the situation here. Almost there. Like another 4 flights of stairs going to the cave, and we're sweating it off. 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay.
Make it from bottom to the top. End of the stairs, and now we're here.
Andito na kami sa sa tuktok ng cave. Ang laki pala. Tapos malamig.
Paano yung ano?
Experience.
Yung akyat, mahirap akyat?
Hindi, okay lang kasi nagpapahinga-pahinga pero pag indiretsahin mo, hindi talaga pwede kasi
Eh, yung mga unggoy.
ang daming monkey, ang daming unggoy. Hindi ka magpapangalan.
Anong advice mo sa mga mga pupunta dito, sa
Careful
mga
lang.
unggoy?
Careful lang for the monkey.
Advice ko sa mga unggoy, do their own monkey business. Okay?
Ah. This is what you'll see inside the Batu Caves. I think there's still one more stairs there, but I don't know if my parents will still come up. If they don't come up, then that's fine. If they come up, and that's better, because I haven't been there. Ah, sarap. Ito.
Butterfly o
Ay, oo nga, laki. Good morning. It's currently... Wait nga. It's currently 6:42 a.m. July 14 and nandito na kami sa bus station going to Singapore from Kuala Lumpur, and we paid under $70 for 4 of us. Ito na yung bus namin, naghihintay na pero wala pa siyang driver. So ito siya. Yan. First coach bus. Yeah. Pero wala pang driver. So medyo maaga kami. Kasi ang required time naman to be here is 7 a.m. for 7:30 travel time. So we're just waiting here. Saan kayo pupunta?
Punta kami Singapore.
Ready?
Yeah!
Malaysia to Singapore. Singapore kami ngayon.
Asan yung bus niya?
Bukas lang kami.
Green bus.
It's currently 7:25 a.m. 5 minutes before the scheduled trip of this bus. But if you're taking the first coach bus as well to Singapore, the first thing you'll do if you have a 7:30 a.m. trip is to go the second floor of that building. And you'll see first coach, and then you'll be given your ticket, and at 7:20 a.m. you'll be allowed to board the bus, and right now they're checking the tickets. So
This is for the location that's located under the Bangsar LRT, because there are 2 locations which first coach departs from. Their seats are spacious because you have 1 private column in the aisle and then 2 columns over here.
yeah, so this is in Bangsar LRT. So we'll see later. I'll try to vlog more. So if you guys wanna try this route too, from Kuala Lumpur to Singapore, you'll be able to. But here's the current situation of our feet. We have leg rooms and it's going well. Thinking of you. So here's a 2-seat and then 1 seat over there, and just aisle. But there's no restroom. But I read that there's gonna be a rest stop for 20-minute duration. So they're checking the tickets now. Tapos na kami mag-exit stop sa Malaysia. If you'll take this also bus trip, pwede nyo nang hindi dalhin yung bag nyo pagpunta nyo ng exit immigration sa Malaysia. Kasi hindi naman na pinadadala. Pero I think sa Singapore, kailangan yung dalhin lahat para ma-check nila. So, yan. We're just crossing the border right now. Okay, done with the immigration sa Singapore. Kailangan nyo lang ng Singapore Arrival Card kasi puro e-gates na lang dito. I think if wala kayong na-fill about na Singapore Arrival Card, hindi nyo magagamit yung e-gates. So you need to go through yung tao like immigration. Pero kami, nakapag-fill up kami kagabi ng Singapore Arrival Card. That's why nag-e-gates na lang kami, which took about 10 minutes. So we're off to the city center. Ay, ang ganda sa likod. We are now in Clarke Quay, Singapore, and we're just taking a break and having some coffee here in Craftsman Coffee. We ordered 1 cold brew, 1 cafe mocha, 1 Valrhona chocolate coffee, and 1 Valrhona chocolate iced coffee. Thank you.
Yun ang review.
I-swing siya. Ay, ang taas! Oh my God! Ang taas! Ayan na, 1, 2, 3, go! Ay! Ay, siya! Uy!
Kami sa hotel ngayon, sa Robertson Quay. Ayan, ito yung yung view. Yan nasa ito kami ngayon. Kapag nasa nasa Malaysia, pero ngayon nasa Singapore na naman. Mamayang gabi, iikutin namin lahat yung na yan para sabi nila may mga ilaw daw, maganda daw may ilaw dyan. So magpahinga muna kami ngayon kasi medyo na na.
Tsaka be, maghugas din ng paa ha?
Maghugas din pa, medyo mabaho na.
Sa likod ka ni Papa. If you're planning to go to Singapore, I highly suggest that you book a hotel that's very near to the attractions so that you won't need to book grabs or ride taxis just to get to the tourist attractions. Like what we did here, we booked a hotel near Clarke Quay, so it's just walking distance all over. Sama kayo dito muna sa frame. Be. Hong Kong. 1, 2, 3, go Singapore! But if you cannot find an affordable hotel near the tourist attractions like Clarke Quay, I can also suggest that you book a hotel near the MRT lines or the bus stop because it helps that the MRT lines and the MRT stations is just right near your hotel. It just makes the travel easier.
Golden Rhapsody will begin in a few moments.
Hi, Lea Salonga. Borealis. Borealis. Kayo madali. 1, 2, 3, go. doon. Tingin na kayo. Pa. Pa.
After watching the last show in Gardens by the Bay, we got really hungry, so we walked for 20 minutes and reached this place called Glutons by the Bay, where we had an affordable but sumptuous dinner.
Good morning. It's July 15, 12 p.m. and we're just about to head out. But today is our last full day here in Singapore, and we're gonna explore Chinatown, Orchard Road, and maybe we're gonna gallivant later in Clarke Quay, which is just 5-minute walk away from our hotel. By the way, we're staying in Robertson Quay Hotel. It's about 5-minute walk to Clarke Quay. And I'm just gonna put how much we paid for this room, but I'm also gonna give you a room tour tonight or tomorrow morning before we head out. But for now, here's the view from our hotel, by the way. So that's Clarke Quay over there. And for now, we're gonna head out. See you Chinatown. Last full day.
Pangalawang araw ngayon sa Singapore.
Last full day.
Amor!
Oh my God, may bisco!
Pag-isa mo na yan, sino yan?
Ganun yung turbulence sa plane through mall.
Bus to Terminal 1 for the Changi, for the Jewel. This is a free bus, free shuttle.
Bawat gate, may CR na yun.
Oo. Grabe naman yung mga sofa nila dito, oh.
Pwede talaga matulog sila sa
Grabe.